Hey you guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I am starting a new diet today. Today is day 1. And it's not about losing weight, but I found a doctor on YouTube. Actually, God found her and sent her to me. I think he must have known I was ready to listen to something like this. Or he's like, you need to listen to something like this. So anyway, I'm doing it. I have been researching it for about probably a month or more and been trying to get myself ready for doing plant-based eating. And I think maybe in my last video I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do a balance. I'm not ready to go all in, but it's time. I'm going all in. This particular protocol is what she's calling it. She cured herself from lupus. She talks about how like autoimmune diseases can be cured with this diet, and pretty much any kind of other issues that you have. Like, there's a long list. She is extremely encouraging since she has gone through it herself. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know, doctors cannot figure it out. Tests are not showing me what's wrong, how to fix it. So we don't even know what kind of medicine would help. So I'm at the point now, since it's a year and 8 months, that I am ready to try to take this on myself. And for a long time I was like, yeah, I don't want to give up my coffee with my special creamer. And yeah, I still want to go out to eat with my friends and eat chips and salsa, but not anymore. Today is day 1, and I'm ready to focus and see if I know I can do it. It's going to be hard, but I'm going to do it, and we'll see if it works as far as getting rid of my pain. And if it does, it's going to be a glorious day. But I want to give you guys some updates in case you might be interested in doing something like this. Someone you know maybe needs this kind of information. I will link Dr. G's channel down below. I think her name is Goldner or something like that. I will link her channel down below. She has tons of videos out there. She has a couple of books like Goodbye Lupus, because she got rid of her lupus, Goodbye Autoimmune Disease, and I think she has a couple more books. She is extremely encouraging, and the stories that you hear when you watch her videos, I mean, it is so significantly impressive that she can cure these diseases in a couple of weeks. I mean, I'm going to do mine for 4 weeks, no cheating. Nothing goes in my mouth except for what I'm about to tell you, and see if it helps. And yeah, we shall see. I'm very hopeful and encouraged. I do have a small fear that it's not going to help, and I'm still going to be in the same boat at the end of this that I am now. I need to put that fear aside, because first of all, God's here. He can help me through, even if it doesn't help, he's going to be there for me at the end. And the other thing is it's good for me anyway. So it's not like it's some crazy weird stuff. It's like a healthy thing, and it's not any crazy, medicines or anything. It is like food. It's like real food, and it's probably the way we should eat anyway, even though we don't want to. So I will link her channel down below. And as you guys know, I have been doing, well, you may know because I posted a lot on Instagram, and I may have talked about it on here as well, that I've been doing a smoothie every morning for a week or 2. And I just do that in my Ninja Bullet. It has spinach and kale and flax and a little bit of fruit to get the medicine to go down. And she talks about those smoothies and stuff now, but mine has been like small, and she's talking about like blenders full. So I ordered a Vitamix. I'm going to start doing like a bigger volume, because in the past few weeks I've had my little small one in the morning, and I'm like, I also have my coffee with my creamer, and then I'm like, the rest of the day I eat whatever I want. And so I'm not doing that anymore. I need to be fully committed to basically the cruciferous vegetables, the high nutrient vegetables. It's all vegetables with just a little bit of fruit, a lot of water. I fill this up. I've already been doing this for like a couple weeks. I fill this up 3 times during the day. This is 40 ounces. I fill it up 3 times during the day, and I'm able to get 120 ounces. And then plus, in between there, I'm drinking a little bit of water here and there, like at a restaurant or whatever. Or in the morning when I'm, you know, taking my supplements or whatever. So I'm getting more than just the 120, but it kind of forces me to make myself do 120. So I'll try to do one full one before lunch at work, one full one after lunch, and then I'll fill it up before I leave work at 5 o'clock. And I know that I need to finish that before I go to bed. So that's 120. That's pretty easy for me. I like water anyway. And then you're supposed to do omega-3s, which is either flaxseed or chia seeds in your smoothie. I'll try to insert some clips of me making some smoothies, and when I get my Vitamix, I'll link the Vitamix down below in case you want to get one for yourself, or, you know, just be looking and browsing. And okay, I'm back. I had to cut the car on, put the air on because I had a little hot flash. I don't know if you could tell that my face was turning red there for a minute, and so I just cool myself down. So yes, today is Thursday, November 9th. This is day 1, and already I'm having a little trouble because I packed all my vegetables today and I brought my smoothie, but I'm having a hard time even getting the whole smoothie down. Normally by now I've gotten, you know, the whole thing down. I did add extra flaxseed today because I'm trying to meet the limit that I have to eat today. And I don't know if that's what it is, or it could be the fact that I really overindulged last night, having it be my last meal and last real food that I might, you know, that I'm going to have for a long time. And so we had Japanese last night. I went for ice cream. I had potato soup for lunch yesterday. So maybe my body's still full from that. And then I'm having a hard time fitting the smoothie in. So that's my update. People do say that you have a lot of, bloating, you know, from like changing your diet so significantly. You know, we're used to eating carbs and junk and whatever we want, and now it's only vegetables, water, and omega-3s, and your body, your little gut is in there like, oh, I don't like this. It's used to doing a certain thing, and now, you know, it's gonna be like upset for a little while. So we'll see. I will give y'all some updates. I will also track my progress as far as, you know, my pain, and hopefully, you know, in week 3 I'm gonna have like this amazing story to tell y'all that I feel better at least a little bit. So we'll see. And I also wanted to say that I don't talk negatively a lot on this channel. I try to stay positive. And I'm extremely grateful for the things that I can do, like sitting in this car doesn't hurt, sitting at work doesn't hurt, laying in bed doesn't hurt, getting out of bed and in bed and rolling over in bed hurts a lot. And it used to not hurt. And so I know it's getting worse. And that's why I'm taking this drastic step to, you know, see if this will help, because it's gotten so bad. And I just try to be like, oh, I have a scooter now, and yay, and I'm so lucky and I'm grateful and everything. And I am, but you guys may not know how much pain I'm in at certain times. Like I said, I'm so grateful that a lot of times during the day I don't have pain if I'm just sitting and not moving around. But the times that I do, it's so bad that it's time to do something. So I know you guys are going to cheer me on, and hopefully you'll be curious about, you know, how this goes. And so I'll just share it with you. I was kind of going through some of my old videos, and I found a video from last November that I did when I cleaned and decorated the master bedroom for Christmas. And I might post that back on this channel, like, because it was on my cleaning channel, which I don't do anymore. And so I might post it on here. If you haven't seen it, you can watch it to get you like motivated to like decorate for Christmas. But when I was looking back at that video, it's sped up, so you can't tell that I'm like struggling walking and I'm walking slow. But you know, with cleaning videos, you kind of speed them up. But I was able to do that last year in November. I was able to like get excited about decorating and, you know, walk. You know, you're walking kind of back and forth and changing your mind on something, and then, you know, moving it around the room and stuff and hanging things and decorating. But now I couldn't do that. I would not be able to spend the day in the master bedroom and decorate it the way, you know, I did a year ago. So I know it's progressively getting worse. Sometimes it takes looking back, like, you know, at really old stuff, because it's such a small change every day. But when I look back, I know it has gotten so much worse and not better. So that's why I'm doing this. I will try to post this today so you know the exact day I'm getting started, and I will give you some updates throughout the 4 weeks. And here we go. Let's do this. Thank you guys for being so encouraging and even wanting to come back and, you know, see what I'm up to. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Here I go, baby.